Prepare one 5-liter plastic bottle. Use a heat welding torch to cut holes in the plastic bottle. Hole diameter from 1 centimeter to 2 centimeter. Round holes are 5 centimeters to 7 centimeters apart in rows. Cut until all the plastic bottles are gone. The holes are staggered and even. Next, we cut off the excess plastic, creating space when planting to fill in the soil. Cut a small bottle to place inside a 5-liter plastic bottle. Purpose is to create a storage compartment for organic waste to provide nutrients for plants. Continue watching the video to better understand the working process. Separate and classify the onion branches into uniform sizes. Cut off the excess roots and remove the bark. To get an accurate quantity, you should count the number of planting holes to calculate the exact number of onion seeds needed. Avoid all waste, because peeled onions can easily decompose or sprout. Next stage, planting onions. Put soil in the bottle. Shaken. Place the onion seeds in the holes and strip the soil into the empty space. Continue Cho and Ki Han Th and H. After planting the river, it is necessary to water the soil immediately. As a result, after 3 days of planting, the onions sprouted very evenly. Nutrient incubation hole is active. After 1 week, the onion plants have shaped and grown well. Onion plants are planted after 14 days. After 20 days, the leaves can be harvested for eating. Scallions are an indispensable spice in most Asian dishes. Scallions are most commonly used in hot pot dishes, fried eggs, soups, and instant noodle seasoning packages. Thank you for watching video. Wish you and your family good health. Always happy. Smooth work. Always happy. Remember to like and follow and comment. Share the video for many people to know to help me. Remember to turn on the notification bell to see our feedback and our latest videos.